Hey gang, time to travel to a cold place. What's in the bag? Let's find out. Flashlight. Socks, bring several. Merino boxers, bring several of those as well. Watch cap. Thermal jacket. Scarf. Long johns. A bag with your toothbrush, toothpaste and stuff. And a Henley shirt, which also works as a base layer. Merino hoodie. Thermal pants. And a laundry bag with a surprise inside. Winter boots. And of course a bag with your valuables, passports and airplane tickets and stuff. Balaclava and gloves.